this is going to be the future of emergency rescue. So here we're seeing the dolphin. This is going to be a brave new world where people are going to be drowning, and these things are going to do such a better job because you can't drown one of these. One of the big problems is rescuers getting drowned by the person they're trying to save.
When you're drowning, you panic and you just grab onto somebody. Yeah.
So look at this. They're sending a little flotation device with motors in it, and it zips super fast on the top of the water. You go find the person. There's the remote control. The person just grabs onto it and gets taken in. Now, these are currently operated by a person with a remote control. Right. Imagine this thing was just on the side of that oil rig. And if somebody splashed into the water,
it just sensed them and
it just sensed that they had fallen in, men overboard, boom, it goes and gets them. Same thing for, on a cruise ship. These things will be on the sides of cruise ships. There'll be cameras waiting for somebody to fall in. It will easily know the signature and then boom, go do it. I looked at this because at one point I had a thesis as an angel investor. Where do most of the unnecessary deaths occur and what can we create? And there are people who are making devices for swimming pools, public swimming pools, where that monitors the pool. There's a company in Germany that does it. You watch a pool and it monitors everybody. If somebody's under the water for more than 30 seconds, their little signature on the video that the lifeguard is watching turns yellow. Now, if they're under for a minute, it turns red. If they're under for 90 seconds, it starts blinking, red, like you should go check it out. And then they just know where to go in a pool with 200 kids in it, that somebody either can hold their breath a long time or not. And then there's some people putting these cameras underwater in the pool. A lot of deaths, a lot of this robotics is going to be incredible for rescuing people. If you were lost in the mountain range, sending one of these like horses, like the little dogs, somebody's lost in the woods. You just send 10 of those out. Go look for them. And so when you start thinking about this, like this one seems like it has no purpose, but this could be, not just delivering food, but it could save some people's lives. And that's what I'm super excited about it.